In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to maximize your Google Meet screen, ensuring you get the most out of your video meetings, whether for work, school, or catching up with friends and family. This quick guide, designed to be clear and easy to follow, will take you through each step to make sure you're ready to go in no time. First things first, let's get you up and running on Google Meet. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Meet website. If you haven't already signed in with your account, you'll need to do that. Google makes it super simple. Just click on New Meeting. This is your gateway to starting video meetings with anyone, anywhere. After clicking on New Meeting, Google Meet will give you a few options. For today's purpose, we're focusing on starting an instant meeting, so go ahead and click on Start an Instant Meeting. This will automatically create a new meeting and take you straight into the meeting screen. Now that you're in your meeting, let's talk about maximizing your screen for the best experience. You'll notice in the bottom right corner of the screen, there are 3 dots arranged vertically. This is the menu button. Clicking on it will open up a menu filled with various options to enhance your Google Meet experience. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Full Screen. Clicking on this will enlarge your Google Meet window to fill your entire screen, removing distractions and providing you with the clearest view of your meeting participants. This is especially useful for presentations, workshops, or any situation where focus is key. Remember, this full screen mode will cover your entire screen, but you can always exit out of it by pressing the Escape key on your keyboard or moving your cursor to the top of the screen to click on the Exit Full Screen button that appears. To wrap up, whether you're hosting a meeting or just participating, maximizing your Google Meet screen can significantly improve your experience by reducing distractions and focusing more on the content and conversations at hand. And that's all there is to it. With just a couple of clicks, you've mastered the art of maximizing your Google Meet screen. Keep this tip in your back pocket to ensure your next Google Meet session is as productive and engaging as possible. Thank you for tuning in today, and I look forward to bringing you more helpful guides in the future.